Here we go!
To play 20 more minutes and I can get my tokens.
Here comes a train.
Oh my gosh.
I just got killed by a wheel.
I can't get up this. I can't get up this. Oh my gosh.
Sean,
Train.
there's a train. Sean, there's two trains coming for you.
You're gonna make it.
Oh, swag, I just beat it. Oh my god. And just when you think you beat it. What? What?
Oh
my god.
Dude, I dare you. Once we beat this map, let's just play it in first person for funsies.
Alright, and see if we can beat him first person.
I'm not dead. This guy's saying I'm dead. I'm not dead.
Maybe you are.
I'm not.
I
I
don't
get
like this
81.
guy. This guy is a nerd. Okay, watch out for the trap.
Noob. Okay,
Oh, and it worked.
like that.
And yeah, it just killed me. This is fantastic. Just a warning, there is tons of trains on this map. I spawned and there was about like
Yay.
17 trains. Alright, ready? I'm gonna count. 1. Alright, there's one that spawned. Oh wow, now what? I died from a can. Are you serious?
Alright.
Get ready for the train.
It's constant.
Oh hey, oh, there's 3.
I gotta get my tire.
4 trains have spawned already. 5,
Oh my
6.
gosh.
That's the 6th train, and oh
7, 8.
lord.
9, 10.
I'm not moving for anything. I'm going straight. I took my hand off the mouse and it didn't work. It didn't work at all. You see all these trains up here? Just stuck? This is the perfect way to go. There's nothing gonna come my way. Oh. Maybe that train. Oh, can I beat it? No! I was trying to hurry beat it. I had 33 seconds.
4 of them.
That's funny, there's so many stuck. I'm stuck.
Would you?
I'm stuck in all these trains.
It's only me and Wookie. Look at him go! Oh, shit. He's gonna make it.
And no.
Nope. No, you have like 15, you have like 10 other people. Somebody just died from that trap. Alright, remember, go all the way to the side and then just go up.
I guess I should have checked if it was safe
hold
before.
Just keep going like that. Just keep going like just hold it.
Oh my, oh my god.
You screwed it. You done got good. You have to keep it like that. Right, you can let go. You can let go. They got shot a whole key. Go. You gonna have you beat this map before?
Yeah.
You get so much money for it. It's so good. That's a train. That's another train. Split jewel. That is a terrible.
Oh my god! I was cornered by a train in a car. Oh, somebody just got a voice changer.
Oh my god.
So many trains.
The fairness of this is.
Is it
0.
safe? Is it safe? Well, you know what?
No.
YOLO. YOLO. Dang it! Baby locked the...
Well,
I'm stuck, Sean. I'm stuck. Tell my mom! I left her. Run, 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 run. I made it, yay! Let's go.
I'll tell you if it's safe to go. It's not safe to go. There's like 5 trains coming. Dude.
Oh my god, there is 2 trains, 4 trains, 6 trains, and like 17 cars.
This is not even fair. Dude, where are you?
I'm all the way up here. Oh, YOLO! How did I make it? How did I make it? Run, 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 run. And...
I see you.
Oh no! The vending machine knocked me into the hole.
I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
Oh my god!
There's
You're
like
not gonna make
15.
it.
There's 15 trains. This is not even record. I made it. I lived. I somehow lived. There's so many trains. They're just flying everywhere. Please, let me get under this shelter. Let me get in this shelter, please.
Dude, I would have made it if the vending machine wouldn't have knocked me into the hole.
Oh my gosh.
You could do it, Sean.
I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Unless a train spawns.
Oh,
yep, there it is.
no. Yeah, you made it. You made it.
Nope. I made it. Yes. Clipped by a tire in your face. I'm scared. There's not much falling. Oh, there it is.
And there it goes.
Oh my god. Car.
Try.
We're the only 2 in the server.
Oh, what the heck? I didn't even notice.
Everyone
Alright,
left.
Sean, we gotta work together. We gotta work together.
Together. We're gonna get so screwed. Alright, let's go. Oh lord. If there's a train, I'm leaving. Please get killed by a shoe. I would love that. It's just cars, shoes.
Oh, what? I wasn't even in the way. And that's the train.
And there, guys. Oh my gosh. Train, please. And Q train. Alright, you gotta jump. You did it. Now you don't die. Go over, go over, go over. No, you go over, you keep going over.
Oh, I know, I'm trying to dodge.
Oh, okay, good. You good. You're almost there. You just gotta get past one more. And you gotta do a little bit of parkour. It says, and it says, here's where the fun starts. I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh.
Run, please, run.
Yes!
Yes!
We did it!
Thank God.
Finally.
I thought I was gonna die
Map
at the
switches. Are you serious? That's not even fair. 2 balls on a train. That's... Wait a minute. 2 balls on a train.